Everything you feel tonight, every regret that weighs on your heart, every whisper of doubt, Allah sees it all. He knows the tears you hide, and the prayers you barely speak. You may feel far from Him, but He is closer than your heartbeat. Forgiveness is not about what you deserve, it is about His mercy reaching beyond your mistakes. Take a moment and say, "Forgive me, Allah," and feel the weight lift just slightly. That small act can change your night, your day, and your heart forever. Life pulls us in directions we never planned. We hurt others, we hurt ourselves, and sometimes we forget to pause. We chase perfection, approval, and worldly comfort, thinking they fill the emptiness inside. But no comfort lasts like His mercy. Every slip, every failure, every regret is an invitation to return. You are not defined by your past. Your past is not a prison. It is a reminder that His door is always open. The moment you surrender your mistakes to Him, you feel light again. You may have tried to fix your life alone, only to feel trapped in cycles of guilt. Imagine a weight on your shoulders that you carry silently. Now imagine letting it go completely, trusting that Allah knows, that He forgives, and that He will guide your next step. Every prayer whispered in sincerity, every tear shed for your shortcomings, brings you closer to peace. Forgiveness is not a reward, it is a gift. It is the gentle hand reaching for yours when you feel unworthy. Life will test you. People will misunderstand you. Choices will lead to regret. But remember, Allah never turns away a sincere heart. No sin is too big, no darkness too deep, when your plea comes from truth and humility. Speak to Him quietly, as if He alone can hear, and let that moment transform your spirit. That single connection can ignite hope where despair once lived. You are stronger than your mistakes. You are never beyond mercy. Every morning, every night, every heartbeat is an opportunity to seek forgiveness and embrace renewal. Let your heart remember this. He forgives those who truly return. He loves the one who admits their faults. And He always awaits your voice. So say it, even if softly, "Forgive me, Allah." And feel the peace that follows, subtle but real. If this touched your heart, let it inspire someone else. Share this message, and let them feel the mercy that never fades. Like, subscribe, and keep your heart open to the guidance that is always waiting for you. Forgiveness is closer than you think. The first word is yours.